हेलो एवरीवन, एक और वीडियो के साथ मैं आज वापस आया हूं जहां पे हम बात करेंगे कुछ स्टॉक्स के बारे में जो कि काफ़ी बढ़िया सिग्नल्स दे रहे हैं चार्ट्स के ऊपर। तो डिटेल में अगर जानना है तो मेक श्योर यू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड। हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ यज्ञेश पटेल एंड आज और एक वीडियो में मैं बात करूंगा आपके साथ। 3 स्टॉक्स में आज डिस्कस करेंगे हम। जो पहला स्टॉक रहेगा वो है कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक, दूसरा रहेगा इंडसइंड बैंक और तीसरा रहेगा रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री। जी हाँ दोस्तों, पिछले काफ़ी टाइम से हमने कुछ स्टॉक्स के अंदर न्यूज़ देखा, कुछ स्टॉक्स के अंदर बड़ा मूवमेंट देखा, कुछ स्टॉक्स में बिल्कुल मूवमेंट देखने को नहीं मिला और जहाँ एक्सपेक्टेशन था कि मार्केट ऊपर जाए, स्टॉक ऊपर जाए, वहाँ पे वैसा हुआ नहीं। तो ये तीनों स्टॉक्स को हम बारी बारी देखेंगे और समझेंगे कि इसके अंदर ऐसा क्या प्राइस एक्शन है, टेक्निकल एनालिसिस की कौन सी थ्योरी हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं जो हमको हेल्प करे प्रॉपर व्यू बिल्ड करने के लिए। तो अगर आपको सही में सीखना है किस हिसाब से स्टॉक को एनालिसिस करते हैं, जो शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए हो या फिर मीडियम टू लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए हो, तो ये वीडियो आप पूरा एंड तक देखिए। हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू द स्क्रीन। Here is a daily chart of Kotak Mahindra Bank, and we have seen amazing move in last trading session. It has given almost 12% move in a single day, and we have also seen a good volume has been built up on this big white candle. We call it a bullish candle, and so many buyers, traders are aggressive on that day, and it has built up a great volume on a single day. You can see this kind of volume has not been developed around since last 6 months, so that's amazing sign. Okay, in this fall the volume has been not that much high, which is we have marked here. So this is something amazing and something unusual we have seen in Kotak Mahindra Bank. So that's why we have selected this stock to analyze for some short to medium term horizon, how it will give some kind of move on upside or maybe in downside, or maybe which kind of signals you may find on particular chart time frames on Kotak Mahindra Bank. So let's analyze the daily time frame first. So here we have seen the stock was in a range since so many days, and let me mark the upper side level here around. This is the level we have seen, because the price has been rejected first here, second here, third time here, fourth time here, and finally it has given a gap up opening with a big body white candle. So now the stock is not in a range, no more into this range. So that's amazing sign. First signal on daily time frame, the range has been broken out. The range has started from the end of the month of March. So we call it from April to the consolidation has been around October end. So it's kind of 4 to 5 months. We have seen a consolidation, and then it has given an upside movement with a range breakout. The amount of volume is also high on a breakout candle, and the RSI is also above the 60 zone, which is a bullish momentum. So overall price structure has given a breakout. So trend is newly trend is established now, and the volume is also high. The third thing, the momentum, the RSI oscillator is also on a higher side, uptrended because it is above 60 zone. And one more thing here is the 55 days moving average is also slightly sloping upside, which was around flat since last so many months, and it has started the slope of the moving average started going upside. And also we have seen here on our last this candle, the support of this moving average has been retested after the moving average breakouts. So that is amazing sign. So overall price action is bullish, momentum is bullish, new trend is established in Kotak Bank. So these are the signals we have seen on Kotak Bank. Let me check the levels now, which overall the stock is bullish, but what are the levels we can see in next couple of months in Kotak Mahindra Bank. So this is not for the short term like 2 days, 1 week or 3 days, but it is overall related to a couple of months, how the stock will react and which are the levels. So let me check the levels here. The first, the resistance zone is somewhere here. We have seen this, the price has been started moving down from this zone. Let me mark the with arrow. This is the price rejection. So overall around 1670 or around 1619, the stock has been started falling. So this is a crucial area for Kotak Mahindra Bank because the overall price started falling here. So here the seller's zone, we call it a seller's zone. So let me mark the properly the area of sellers, which is around 1700 level or 1690 level. So this is the area of sellers. And let me check with the Fibonacci retracement also. So this is a last swing. The price has started falling from here to here. So this I'm going to take as a retracement here. So which also comes around 161% comes around 1670 near to this zone, 1700 zone, which is amazing. Again, good sign. So the cluster of resistance, we called it the Fibonacci resistance, is near this zone. The previous resistance also lies near this zone, around 30 point. The difference is there, 1700 and 1670. So overall 1700 is a round number also, psychological resistance also. And let me check one more retracement on this big candle. And this is the candle, which is also comes near 1693. So overall 1700 is the area of resistance for Kotak Mahindra Bank. Might possible this stock will face, this is a probable target area in Kotak Mahindra Bank around, let me mark the 1700 level first. And this could be a possibility of a probable target in Kotak Mahindra Bank in next couple of months. I would say couple of months because this is not for short term, it's slightly from short to medium term horizon. Okay, now let's check which is the level which will be a protecting level, or we would say our view will get negated if the particular level has been broken out. So this is the area which has a given breakout with a gap. So I would say this gap is an area of support in Kotak Mahindra Bank. So let me mark the level here. Around 1420, 1420 is the area of support zone. If this level has been broken out in next couple of days or couple of months, then our view for bullish in this stock has been negated. Okay, so this is the area of bulls. If the bulls has been into the control, then it should protect this level around 1420. So this is the overall analysis and view for Kotak Mahindra Bank. So let's check one more stock, that is IndusInd Bank. This is the daily price structure of IndusInd Bank, and we have seen in last couple of days and couple of weeks, I would say the stock has been in a range in sideways. The upper side range is around 647, 650 zone. This is the resistance zone for IndusInd Bank, and the overall support range is around 590 zone. A couple of times the stock has been taken support at this level. One more thing we have seen in last candle, it has taken support near to a support zone, not taking support because possibility is there if this next day support has been broken out in next coming days, then we will see some kind of again selling pressure in this counter. So overall, the IndusInd Bank is near to a support zone of the sideways, and it is the level is around 590. So, and we have seen. Let me check the price action here. This is the first candle. We have seen a shadow here. Let me mark the shadow. So shadow is not a good sign for bulls because its shadow is upside. One more candle is here, a shadow here, and one more is shadow here. Another candle is here, the shadow. So overall in a sideways range, there are so many shadow candles which are not a strengthened candle because it is not a proper bullish or bearish candle, but it has given some kind of price rejection on the upper side. So which is around 640 or 650 zone. So if stock has to sustain above the 650 level, then we call it a bullish stock. Otherwise, it is near to a support zone. And let me very much clarify that if stock is taking support, then it should be forming a bullish candle in next couple of days around this 590 zone. That is the way we can call the stock is taking support near this area of support zone. Otherwise, second possibility is there, this area, this support zone will be broken out and stock will be falling more in next coming days. So overall, the price structure of the Indian Bank is not so bullish, but as well as it is not a bearish at all because the support is not broken out yet. Let me check the momentum. Momentum is near to between 60 and 40 RSI, which is called sideways zone. So overall, this support of moving average and the horizontal support need to be in existence. Otherwise, the stock will fall down more in next couple of days. So this is the view for Indian Bank. If support is broken out, then go for the short side. And if taking support near this zone, then it is a good buying opportunity because we will see some kind of probable target around this resistance zone in Indian Bank. So let me check one more stock, that is Reliance Industries. So this is the daily time frame of Reliance Industry. We have seen a good uptrend in last couple of months. In and 1.5 months, we have seen stock is in a sideways, and right now the previously bottom here around 2000 is now testing again, which was a breakout level also. And previously it has taken supports, change in polarity. Many a time stock is taking support near to this zone, and again after so many months the stock is near to a 2000 level, which is it is crucial level of support. One more thing is the stock is making a record session count here because consecutively back to back bearish candle we have seen around 8 to 9 candles. We call it a record session count, and it is a good sign of reversal might possible. This last two candle is also last engulfing on daily time frame, which is near to a support zone. So might possible we will see some kind of pullback in Reliance Industry in next couple of days. So this is a possibility in Reliance Industry first. The second possibility is it will break this support of 2000 and we will see again some more downside in Reliance Industry. So that could be a second condition in Reliance Industry. But the probability is very high that the support may have intact because in near to a support zone we have seen a doji candle, one more small body bearish candle. Because this is not a bearish candle because the body is very small compared to the this kind of bodies here, here and here. And this is also last engulfing near to a support zone, which is also very powerful reversal candlestick pattern on Reliance Industry. So these are the few signals with the help of candlestick we have seen, and volume is also not that much increasing on the support zone. When the selling candle, this bearish candle appears, volume is slightly overall okay, but not on a higher side. So might possible some kind of pullback we will see in Reliance Industry. So let me check the level for the pullback. If it happens, then the pullback level is around 2118 is the area of resistance, which is 38% of the Fibonacci retracement 2118. Okay, and the important support is 2000. If it is broken out, then we will see some kind of again selling pressure. Then we need to review our analysis on Reliance Industry if this 2000 support is broken out in next couple of days. So particularly Reliance Industry is near to a support zone, but not at least a bullish stock, but we expecting some kind of pullback, a bounce back in this counter. So this is the particular view for Reliance Industry, and I hope you really like the way we analyzing the stock. Let's meet on outer video.
सो आपने ये वीडियो पूरा देख लिया होगा एंड आशा रखता हूँ आपको इसमें से काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा। जिस तरीके से हमने कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक को एनालिसिस किया, अभी आइडिया हो गया, एक पर्टिकुलरली व्यू हमने लिया है। सो अभी वी कैन होल्ड आवर पोजीशन अगर हमारा उसके अंदर कोई भी स्टेक है या फिर हम कहाँ पे उसका पोजीशन बना सकते हैं, वो अभी क्लैरिटी हो गया। दूसरा जो देखा स्टॉक हमने इंडसइंड बैंक, जो कि एक सपोर्ट के पास है, तो जहाँ से भी हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं अगर इसको शॉर्ट करना है तो वेट करेंगे सपोर्ट ब्रेक करने के लिए, या फिर अगर बाय करना है तो वहाँ पे कोई बुलिश कैंडल सपोर्ट पे देखने को मिलता है तो वहाँ से हम बाय कर सकते हैं। और तीसरा जो स्टॉक रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री देखा वो भी सपोर्ट के पास है, अगर पुल बैक के लिए हमको इसको प्ले करना है, ट्रेड करना है तो हम किस हिसाब से करेंगे वो हमने देखा। और अगर इस सपोर्ट ब्रेक कर गया तो हमारा जो ट्रेडिंग प्लान था कि पुल बैक हम ट्रेड करेंगे वो हम एग्जीक्यूट ही नहीं कर पाएंगे। सो इस तरीके से आप अपना पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक के अंदर एक व्यू क्रिएट कर सकते हो और पर्टिकुलर लेवल्स के साथ उसको ट्रेड भी कर सकते हो। और आपने अगर ट्रेडिंग प्लान का और ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रेटेजी का जो डिफरेंस का अगर वीडियो नहीं देखा है, मैंने यहाँ पे आई बटन में लिंक दिया है, आप वहाँ से चेक करिए, उसमें से आपको काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को को मिलेगा और वो आप अपने ट्रेडिंग में अप्लाई भी कर सकते हो। तो आशा रखता हूँ आज के वीडियो में आपको काफ़ी कुछ जानना मिला होगा। अगर चैनल पे नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को जरूर लाइक कीजिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए। वेट फॉर माई अनदर वीडियो। थैंक यू सो मच।